Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox freezing. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your task manager. Just hit on the Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, and from here you want to close all the applications that you are currently using. So for example, if you're using like two browsers here, make sure that you close one of them because it's actually going to take a lot of memory and space to run those browsers. And yeah, so make sure just to close any applications that you're currently using right now, especially here under the app section. Just close anything that you can close. So once you've done that, we could go to our next step, which is to actually check if there are any updates on your Windows. So just click on the Windows icon here and just click on update, or just type in update, and you'll be able to see the check for update setting here. So from here, you want to click on the check for updates, and this will actually search for updates on your Windows version here. If there are any updates, just install those. So for example, there's an optional quality update available for my computer right now. You could just click on the download and install. But the most important thing here is this section here to make sure the main updates for Windows is installed on your PC. So once you've done that, the next thing that we could actually do next is to want to adjust the compatibility settings for Roblox. So to do that, locate your Roblox player here, just right click on it, and from here just choose the properties. Under properties, you want to go to compatibility, and you want to put a check on the checkbox here that says run this program in compatibility mode. And from here, instead of Windows 8, you want to choose Windows 7. The next, you want to select the you want to add a checkbox on the disable full screen optimization here, and click on the run this program as administrator. Just hit on apply and OK. So once you've done that, you could just go ahead and open up your Roblox player, and we'll be doing the final adjustments. So right now I'm on my Roblox player. I'm just running a simple game here. So go to your settings here. You could just either hit on the escape on your keyboard or the top left icon for Roblox here. You could just press on that, and from here just go to settings. It might be different for some, but you might be able to see the graphics mode here immediately. So just look for graphics mode, and you want to set this to manual. Now underneath graphics mode, you see the graphics quality. So to avoid the sudden freezing issues for Roblox, you might want to actually decrease your quality. So maybe like for to quality here, it might be good. And once done, you can just click on the resume button here, and you could just start playing your game and see if that solves your issue. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.